whether you're chasing comfort or trying to pull off uber stylish looks, a good pair of denims can make all your dreams come true. So if you're sitting at home and thinking about what to do, take those hidden pair of old jeans and transform them into something absolutely new. Type jeans in the comments below and we'll send you the best jeans styling guide for your body type. If you love clothing that exudes a feminine yet quirky vibe, this pair is just for you. All you need apart from your denims is embroidery threads, a needle, an X-Acto knife, marker, tape, and a printed design of your choice. After you've cut out the design using the knife, place the lettering and secure it with tape. Trace it out with the marker. And get sewing. It's fairly simple. Start by bringing the needle from behind the jeans and put it back so that the thread starts making the shape of the letters. Continue this process of following the outlines. Since it's time consuming, it's perfect at this time when we're looking to keep ourselves busy. We all have that old pair of jeans that could make the perfect pair of staple denim shorts, and here's how. Start this process by marking the jeans on both the sides to the length you'd like your shorts to be. The key here is to make diagonal lines for a flattering fit. Now cut them individually. To make this pair even more stylish, take a sandpaper and rub it on the ends for a worn-out look. For a distressed feel, cut slits horizontally and use tweezers to vertically remove the threads. What you get is a flattering, stylish and airy pair of shorts that make you look great and feel at ease all at the same time. We all have a pair of jeans which were once our favorite but are hidden away because of its loose and baggy fit over time. The trick to get them back into shape is extremely easy. Soak your jeans in hot water for a good 30 minutes and then blow dry. The hot temperature helps in reducing the width of the fabric, giving you the perfect svelte body-hugging fit. Your pair of basic denims is waiting for a makeover. So get your artsy cap on and give this amazing DIY a try. Get hold of any pair of skinny jeans and a pair of striped ribbons. You can also use any normal ribbons or a piece of long extra fabric. Leave an extra inch on both sides of the ribbons. Cut as much as the length of your jeans. Apply a fabric glue and stick it in the middle of the side seam. Remember to go in little by little to make the process easier and clean. Use any hard object available to make sure the ribbon is glued well. What you get is perfectly stylish looking new jeans. Lace is another way you can add quirky details to your jeans. To dress your jeans up with this beautiful material, take any pair of jeans and draw a mark on the desired length. And cut the fabric in accordance to the bottom length of your jeans. Pull your jeans inside out. Use a fabric glue and stick 1/4 of it, leaving the rest for display. Let it dry overnight and flaunt them for a casual style statement. Use this time in hand to come out of quarantine ahead of everyone else's style game. Let us know in the comments below which one of these you can't wait to try. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.